Today we're going to be doing a daily harvest unboxing, and there's been something that I've wanted to try with one of the items in here. I just didn't have time with my last box, meaning I ate all of the food before I had this brilliant idea. So I'm gonna do some unboxing, and then I'm going to do some type of a hack or trick, or it's just gonna be an experiment with one of the items in this box that I'm so excited about. And what I love about the Daily Harvest is that they have really good flavorful combinations of food that's healthy and nutritious, and they make it pretty simple to just have like a meal on the go. So let's see what's inside. The items that come in this box are frozen. There's dry ice in here. I think they ship these items and they come to the door within hours, or maybe it's like 10 to 12 hours, but it comes really, really fast because it is frozen, and they pack it in dry ice. And I think dry ice is only good for like 18 hours. But every time I get something, it's always really rock hard frozen. So here's the inside. All right, you guys, I'm gonna put it down here so you can see what's inside. Oh, these are all going to be flatbreads. We have tomato and basil, pear and arugula. So this one's kind of a unique new one. More tomato and basil, and pear and arugula. So I have 3 of each, and they are super frozen. And let's get into the little trick that I want to do with them. For what I'm going to create in the kitchen, I'm going to use this tomato and basil. Let's head on over to the kitchen. Something that is super unique about this flatbread is that the crust is made out of broccoli. So I don't know how well this idea of mine is gonna work, but I was thinking of making some type of like panini with these flatbreads, because you have the flatbread and you have all this really good stuff on top. I think it would be so good to somehow make a panini, but I don't have a panini press. So I'm gonna make, I'm gonna use my waffle iron. So here's the before. It has kale and tomato on it. And then you can see the crust. Okay, and then while the waffle iron is warming up, I'm going to cook up an egg, and that's going to be in the center of my panini waffle flatbread. And then just because this is so hard, I'm gonna microwave it. Now, normally Daily Harvest does not like need this much work. Usually you just warm it up. But I think it's gonna be really good with my strange idea that I have. I have my waffle iron out, my egg is cooking. I'm gonna go for like an over medium egg and put that in the middle. I think that's gonna be really good. But I had to microwave the flatbread for just like a minute because I think it's just too frozen to put in my waffle iron. So I'm gonna cut that in half and then throw that in the waffle iron. Well, we'll see. I don't know. I hope it turns out really good. In my mind, it seems like it's gonna be good, but I don't know. We'll try it out. It's a hack. Okay, let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna let this cook a little bit before I put the egg on. That seems like it's looking pretty good. While we're waiting for this to cook, I wanted to share with you guys that they gave me a discount code, Daily Harvested, for $25 off your first box. That discount code is Leah K. So if you want to use that, if you want to try some of their items, I really love their ice cream, which is non-dairy. I think that's a really good ice cream. And some of the other options like this one is a really good, wow, this is really sizzling. And the other thing is that on their Instagram page, they have different types of hacks and tricks for their different bowls, and they have a lot of different items that you can order. There's different hacks and tricks, but I think this is going to be really good. I love the nutrition that is in these meals that are pretty easy to prepare. It's just kind of a nice option if you're looking for something new to try and you try to be healthy, kind of like I do. We're gonna zoom in on this panini. It actually looks pretty good, huh? Kind of made a mess. Put that right in the middle. That looks really good. I'm pretty impressed with myself. Okay. And then as a little topping, we're gonna do some avocado, and hopefully it turns out good. It'll turn out great, I'm sure. It's almost done. I'm going to take it off, put it on my cutting board, cut it, and give it a try. Hey, that looks pretty good. We're just gonna throw the top on. Okay guys, here's the final product with my avocado and egg panini. It's not as crispy as I would have liked it to be, but it still looks good. So, of course, we gotta give it a try. Overall, I would say that the best way to eat this is probably to cook it in the oven, just because that helps it to get crispier. That waffle iron didn't really work. It would probably work better if you had a panini press, but overall the taste and the taste combination was really good. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye, friends.